Hello, my name is Bianca Remigio, and I'm going to be discussing the importance of brushing and flossing your teeth. So, you want to brush and floss your teeth daily in order for you to prevent cavities. Okay, I've been a dental assistant for 3 years, and I have learned that it's very, very important for you to take care of your oral hygiene because there is actually a mouth body connection, and if you neglect your oral hygiene, then that can actually neglect your overall health. So, today I'm going to be discussing the importance of brushing and flossing, as well as show you the proper way for you to brush and floss your teeth. So it's important for you to brush and floss daily because as you go throughout your day, you're eating and you're drinking different things. Well, as you're doing that, that's actually leaving particles on your teeth. Those particles stick to your teeth, and those particles are actually bacteria. And the bacteria is actually called plaque. Okay, so the only way for you to get rid of the plaque is for you to brush and floss. You want to get rid of the plaque on your teeth because that can actually cause cavities. Cavities essentially is just decay of your teeth. So if you get a cavity, then that means that there's a part of your tooth that is decaying because the plaque has sat on there and it started to eat away at your teeth. So that's why it's very, very important for you to make sure that you brush and floss your teeth to have good, excellent, proper oral hygiene. Okay. So according to The Guardian, there are up to 6 million bacteria present in a typical person's mouth. Most of them are harmless because by our body's natural defense, it can fight off some of that. But also, it's important for you to brush and keep good oral hygiene because that actually helps to also get rid of a lot of the bacteria that gets in our mouth. Okay. As stated by Jennifer Sung Webb, MD, gum disease is linked to a host of different types of illnesses. Those include heart disease, diabetes, respiratory issues, osteoporosis. By combing through 1,000 plus, okay, that's 1,000 plus medical histories. Researchers at the University of North Carolina School of Dentistry found that people with gum disease were twice as likely as others to die from a heart attack and 3 times as likely to have a stroke. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier about the mouth body connection, a lot of people don't know that if you have a buildup of plaque on your teeth, that actually affects your body because it can get into your blood system and clog up your arteries. Okay, and then whenever your arteries get clogged, then that's essentially how you have a heart attack. Okay, so that right there just goes to show how important it is to take care of your oral hygiene and how your mouth body connection, it does connect to your overall health as well. Okay, so the importance of brushing and how you should actually properly brush your teeth is what I'm going to go over. So we brush our teeth so that we can remove the plaque that I mentioned earlier that gets on your teeth. And whenever you're brushing, it's a good practice for you to brush your teeth 2 times a day. Okay, so you want to brush your teeth daily, but not only do you want to brush your teeth daily, but you also want to do it twice a day. And whenever you brush your teeth twice a day, you also want to do it for 2 minutes. Okay, so remember daily, twice a day for 2 minutes. Okay, according to the 2018 Self article written by Lindsay Langquist, the American Dental Association says that you should be brushing for 2 minutes twice a day. And that's also quoted by experts such as Sally Sam, a dentist, a periodontist that's based in Washington, D.C. Okay. All right. So whenever you brush your teeth, you don't want to just brush your teeth, but yet not know how to properly brush your teeth. So whenever you brush your teeth, I have a little mouth thing here to show you. This right here is your teeth. Here's a toothbrush. So the really benefit from brushing your teeth, you don't want to just move all over the place, but you're not really getting in there. Okay, so to properly brush your teeth, what you want to do is you want to move in circular motions going up and down your teeth, okay? So your teeth is not straight across. There's a lot of grooves, there's a lot of bumps, there's a lot of, your teeth are curved. So you wanna make sure that you really get in there. So you're gonna go in circular motions and you're gonna go up and down your teeth, okay? Like so. Now you do have different surfaces of your teeth. So again, you wanna do the same thing, but you wanna also hit the top surface, which is known as the biting surface of your teeth, okay? So you want to brush that as well as the inside of your teeth, okay? Especially on your lower arch of your teeth, in the very back of your anterior teeth. That right there is where a lot of germs and plaque build up, because you also have your saliva that pulls down there. And so whenever you brush down there, you want to make sure that you brush real good behind those teeth as well, okay? And get in there real good. All right, so not only do you want to brush your teeth, you also want to floss your teeth. Flossing is very important because floss helps to get in between your teeth. There are some places in your teeth that your toothbrush bristles aren't able to reach. So that is where it's very beneficial for you to also floss, because you can get cavities in between your teeth as well as flossing gets down into your gums a little bit deeper. And then by doing that, then you're also helping to maintain healthy gums, which is preventing you from getting periodontal disease, which periodontal disease is whenever the bacteria builds up, it starts to eat away at the bone, okay? So periodontal disease is essentially bone loss. That's what it is. And it's caused from lack of good oral hygiene. So not only do you want to brush your teeth real good, but you also want to floss so that way you can get in between those teeth and get at your gum line, okay? And whenever you floss, the proper way for you to floss is that you want to slide the floss in between your teeth. And then whenever you slide it in between there, you want to hug the floss against both surfaces of the teeth. So you're going to hug it against one surface, hug it against the next. You're going to be moving back and forth, okay? And then you pull the floss out. Now make sure whenever you pull the floss out, I do have a little floss here. So you're going to wrap it around one index finger, wrap it around the other index finger. Whenever you go in between your teeth, and you're moving back and forth. I always call it kind of like the rock the boat motion, okay? So you're rocking back and forth, you're hugging the surfaces of the teeth, moving up and down and loosening up anything that's in between there so that way you can get it out. Whenever you pop the floss out, you do want to make sure that you slide down and get a new piece of floss before you go on to the neighboring teeth, okay? Because you don't want to get that out and then just put the floss right down into the next neighboring tooth, because then you're just putting it right back into the neighboring teeth, which kind of defeats the purpose, okay? So just make sure that whenever you move on to your next teeth, that you do get clean floss, okay? And to kind of give you a better visual of how you should properly floss, I did attach a video for you to actually watch on how you should properly floss your teeth.
In addition to brushing twice a day, flossing once a day will help keep your mouth healthy by cleaning between your teeth where a brush can't reach. It also helps prevent gum disease. Wrap about 18 inches of floss around a middle finger with the rest wound around the opposite middle finger. Hold a small amount of floss, about an inch, tightly between your thumb and forefingers, and gently insert the floss between the teeth. Hug the floss tight to the side of your tooth. Rub the floss gently up and down, pressing against each tooth. And remember, get behind those back teeth. There are other products to help clean between your teeth, especially if you have braces or have a hard time holding floss. Always ask your dentist if you have any questions. To learn more about taking care of your teeth and gums, visit mouthhealthy.org.
All right. All right, so that right there was a good demonstration as far as to like how you should properly floss your teeth. Okay, so just know that it's very important for your overall oral health for you to brush and floss. Whenever you brush and you floss, you want to make sure to try to do it at least twice a day. You also want to make sure that whenever you do the brushing of your teeth, that you do it for at least 2 minutes, okay, of the day. And by doing this, not only are you helping with good oral hygiene, but you're also helping with your overall health. All right, so brushing and flossing are both important to prevent gum disease and to maintain your good oral health and hygiene. It takes a few minutes a day to brush and floss your teeth, but those few minutes can contribute to a lifetime of great oral health. Thank you. My name is Bianca, and thank you for listening to my presentation on the importance of brushing and flossing your teeth. Have a great day.